think curiously, fail, learn from it, become resilient and adapt those problem-solving skills to the world. My name is Alana Wiley and I'm the founder and operator of iHeart Science. iHeart Science is a science education company. We put together science experiments and opportunities for primary school students. Our flagship program, Young Investigators, runs before and after school as a hands-on science club. I started iHeart Science 5 years ago, running out of my garage at home. Next term, we're up to about 30 schools with 40 classes running every week and close to 1,000 children participating. If I was to give advice to someone starting a small business, I would say don't underestimate the importance of finding a good technology partner. We found it extremely valuable to talk to a Dell trusted advisor. Our needs were changing a lot faster than we knew how to keep up with. So to be able to speak to someone directly and explain exactly what we needed and what features we needed to have was extremely valuable. I wish I'd partnered with Dell Technology sooner. I'm so passionate about getting kids into science. As the world changes and we face ever more complex challenges, it's really important that we're building this generation of kids up that can learn to look at problems from a complex, critical point of view and analyse them. They don't all need to go on to be scientists, but if they can go on to think like one, it's going to do wonders for the world.
For more inspiring stories, head to poweredforsuccess.com.au.